Happy birthday po, Lola Pel. Happy 70th birthday po. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi ah. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Yun lang po. Long live po. John Charles Nugit po.
Happy 70th birthday la. More birthday to come. Ingat ka palagi. Alagaan mo kalusugan mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Yun lang. Love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Lola Pel. Mag-iingat ka palagi. We love you. Enjoy your day po. Kiss the ka, Mamal Talk.
Hello Lola, happy 70th birthday. More birthday to come, and then always healthy. Huwag mong kakalimutan inumin yung gamot mo everyday. Yun lang po. Love you. Happy birthday, Lola. I wish you good health and more birthday to come. I love you so much, Lola.
Happy birthday, Ate
Birthday. Sana maraming birthday pang dumating. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Lola Pel. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. God bless you.
Hello Mama, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Happy.
Happy birthday, Lola Pel. Love you. Mwah. Chup chup.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Fel. More birthdays to come. God bless po. Enjoy your day for today. Sana po mas palakasin ka pa ni Papagay. Ingat po palagi dyan. Hindi man kami sa malayo. Nasa puso pa rin namin kayo palagi. Thank you po. Happy birthday ulit.
I love you. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy 70th birthday po. Enjoy your day po. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat. Love you po.
Hey Mama! Ang wish ko, mababa ang buhay mo. Para mahaba bang tongking. I love you.
Hi La, happy 70th birthday. More birthday and good health para sa iyo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Mahal na mahal ka namin La. At andito lang kami palagi para sa iyo. I love you.
Happy birthday la. Mag-ingat ka po palagi.
Happy 70th birthday, Ate Pel.
Happy birthday, Ate Pel. Ingat ka lagi. God bless you.
Hi, Ate Fel. Happy 70th birthday. Ang hope ko lang, wish kay Lord na sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay para makapiling ka pa namin ng matagal na panahon. Kasama na yung mga pamangkin mo, mga kapatid mo, at mga apo mo. Okay? So, kahit naghihirap tayo, at least marami pa ring blessings ang binigay sa atin ng Panginoon, na meron tayong natitirahan na bahay, na wala na kayong upa, na nakakakain pa rin tayo ng at least 3 meals a day, hindi tulad ng ibang tao dyan na naghihirap talaga ng husto sa buhay. So dapat magpapasalamat pa rin tayo sa Panginoon na binigyan tayo ng magandang buhay, lahat tayo magkakapatid kung tutusin, compare sa buhay ng ibang tao na talagang hirap na hirap. Okay? So I hope na masaya ka sa 70th birthday mo kahit wala dyan si Dundon. Okay? Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi sis! Happy 78th birthday! I'm happy we are all still healthy and enjoying life. I cannot wait to see you in March. Hope you have a great birthday. Love you, sister.
Happy birthday to the greatest, awesome and wonderful mom of all, or I would say in the whole universe. Thanks for being an amazing role model, continued guidance and wisdom. Know that you are loved and appreciated beyond measure. You are one of the reasons why I kept working hard If it weren't for you, I would not be here. You're one of my inspiration. Remember that me and your family will always be with you, no matter what. Wish you the sweetest and happiest birthday. You deserve it, Mom. I love you very much.